Welcome everyone to my channel Everything PS. With you MD. In this tutorial, we are gonna show you a new great feature in Photoshop 2021. It is a colorize filter. From Neural Filters. This filter will take your work to a higher level. This filter re-colorize black and white photographs. Just by one click. Let's see how it works. In this tutorial, any photo I will use you will find in the description box if you want to follow along. Now open your photo in Photoshop. Go up here for the filter menu. Then choose Neural Filters. And Beta Filters. And go for colorize. And finally, just turn it switch on. Wait 2 or 3 seconds until finishing this process. This depends on the size of your photo. And the ability of your machine. See here the result. That's awesome work. Imagine this filter is a beta. Good work Adobe. Now if you want to add your touch. Down here in the scene section, you are free to play with these sliders here until you get the desired look that you are looking for. Here you will find red, cyan, blue, yellow, magenta, green, and focus color, scene color. And here they ask you are you satisfied with the result. Now let's move to the output section. Here you have several options you can whatever you want. Here new layer, smart filter, duplicate layer masked, duplicate layer, and current layer. For me, I will leave it as default one new layer. Then click OK. Here we go, let's see before and after. This is a huge update. Now let's try again with another photo. We will repeat the same steps again. Filter. Neural Filters. Beta Filters. Colorize. Turn this switch on. Wait until finish. Here we go, we are done, easy just like that. Click OK. Here the result before and after. Awesome. Now I will leave you with some photos to see the power of this filter. Here we go, we are done for today. Don't forget to sub, like, share, and leave your comment down below. See you next time, goodbye.